This time I'm going to convert fractions to the percent. We're going to use exactly the same formula which we had before, okay? In order to avoid confusion and, let's say, get lost with too many formulas, I'm going to use the same form, but keep in mind, in this case, instead of decimals, we're going to use fractions. Now, I want to find percent, so I have to multiply fraction by 100%. Okay? Remember, anytime we multiply fraction by the whole number, we have to convert whole number to fraction. So I'm going to have 1 over 4 times 100% over 1. Now, check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. I can reduce 4 and 100 by 4. So I'm going to reduce this 4 by 4, and this 100 I'm going to reduce by 4. So I'm going to have 1 over 1 times 100 divided by 4 is going to give me 25% over 1. Now I can multiply fractions. 1 times 25% is 25% over 1. 25% over 1 is equal 25%. This is solution for my first problem. Let's check another one. Again, I have to convert fraction to percents. I'm going to multiply this by 100%. Remember, we have to convert the whole number to fraction. Okay? Check if we can reduce any denominator with any numerator. Basically, we cannot do any reduction. So I'm going to simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. I'm going to end up with 100% over 3. As you can see, this is the example of the improper fraction. Improper fraction, most of the times, we convert to the mixed numbers. That's why I'm going to perform long division. I have 100 over 3. How many times 3 goes into 10? 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down 0. How many times 3 goes into 10? 3 times. 3 times 3 gives me 9. Subtract, I have 1. Okay, my solution is 33 and 1/3. Remember, the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and the divisor goes to the denominator. That's why the answer to my problem is 33 and 1/3%. Let's do next one. Again, anytime you want to convert fraction to the percent, you have to multiply that fraction by 100%. I'm going to convert this to fraction right away. Now, check if I can reduce any numerator with any denominator. 4 and 100, both of them are divisible by 4. So I'm going to divide 4 by 4, and 100 I'm going to divide by 4. So I'm going to have 3 over 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 100 divided by 4 is 25. 25% over 1. Now I can multiply the fractions. I'm supposed to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 3 times 25% is 75% over 1. 75% over 1 is equal 75%.